Welcome to 30 Days of BTS. My name is Priscilla. I'm a jewelry designer and I did over 200 permanent bracelets for the El Paso concert. And now I just announced that I'm heading to Arlington doing those same bracelets for you guys. So if you guys are interested, there's going to be a link in the description box where you can book your personalized design session. We started with just the lavender color with silver, which is this chain right here. But you guys have gotten so creative. I have so many requests and we added the red and silver. Now we have a gold and white. There's so many design options that I'm gonna be showing you throughout these 30 days. You're gonna see what I do to get ready for this trip. And in celebration of the 30 days to BTS, the first day I had to wear my purple mascara that you guys loved when you guys were coming in for your appointments. I was trying to be a little bit more on theme and I would always wear the purple mascara. If you guys want the purple mascara, it's pretty inexpensive. It's under $10. It's super purple. I think it's a perfect shade of purple. And if you have colored eyes, your eyes are gonna stand out a little bit more. I hope you guys join me. I will be documenting everything that I'll be doing to get ready for this awesome concert. I did attend the one in El Paso and we'll see if we are able to find tickets for the Arlington concert, which I think it's gonna be a little bit hard because I've seen those prices on those Facebook groups for the tickets. And the last time I checked, one of them was $44,000. Might not make it to the concert, but I definitely want to be there so you guys can get your permanent bracelets. And what is nice is that you get to pick the design on the back of the charm. So every bracelet comes with a little charm that is a heart and it has the BTS logo on it. And then on the back side, you can pick the design you want to add. You can do the different sevens. People have done the Arirang tour logo. So many different design options you guys are gonna see. So make sure you subscribe, share this video with your friends. And we're also doing a giveaway of a permanent BTS bracelet. So I'll be in Arlington from August 12th through the 17th. So the spots are very limited, but I would love for you guys to get a chance to get that permanent bracelet for an unforgettable concert. So let me show you the outfit of the day. I am wearing this scarf here as a belt. I've seen a lot of people wear it this way and I am totally loving it. I haven't used this one. It was a gift from my sister and I kind of felt like it totally went with the outfit. Wearing this denim skirt with the pockets, which are super useful because I'm always carrying my phone everywhere. And it's long. I'm wearing the sandals I got at, I think it was Nordstrom Rack. And this shirt from Amazon. It's like one of those basic shirts that just fit perfect. So if you guys are interested, it's in the description box below. But this is the outfit of the day. It's a super hot day. I think it's about to be like 102 today here in Texas, so So I'm at the studio right now. This is where most of you came and got your permanent bracelets for the El Paso concert. And see, I have a little bit of a mess here, but we have some other jewelry available. This is my machine. I use a Helix machine. I'll have it here in the description in case you're interested. It's absolutely one of my favorite permanent jewelry machines. And I also have a discount code in case you have been wanting to start permanent jewelry business. We also do trainings. I'm so excited to share everything that goes on behind the scenes for this very special travel opportunity for me to create those super special bracelets for you. As far as the charms, we also have this little galaxy charm that you can add to it. Look at how cute that is. And this is one of the hearts. This is the logo that it has on one side, and for $12 more, you can add something on the back and customize your design. So I just heard that McDonald's has the BTS Happy Meal. So we're gonna ask, hopefully they have it. If not, we'll try to see where we can find it and I'll show it to you guys.
Yes.
Look, it says BT 21. I'm gonna let my kids open them. These are the options. Oh, it's so bright. Okay, so we're gonna open and see what we got.
What did I get? I got?
Oh my god, it's so adorable.
I
Look at that. Which one's this one?
Goya.
Okay. Oh, that is adorable. So, and then it says scan today.